In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and restore versions in Google Sheets. If you've ever made a change to a spreadsheet and wished you could go back, the version history feature is your safety net. I'll walk you through how to open it, explore past edits, and restore exactly the version you need. Start by opening your spreadsheet in Google Sheets in your web browser. Make sure you're working in a file you can edit. Version history is only available when you have edit access. With your sheet open, look to the top left and click File. In that menu, move your cursor to Version History and then click See Version History. This opens a panel on the right side of your screen that lists saved versions by date and time. In the Version History panel, you'll see groups of edits often organized by day and time. Click the small right-facing arrow next to a date or a version group to expand it. This reveals more detailed snapshots, so you can drill down to the exact moment you want to review. When you select any version in the list, the main sheet shows a read-only preview of how it looked at that time. Edits are usually color-coded by collaborator, and you'll see timestamps to help you pinpoint when changes happened. Take a moment to scroll and confirm the contents match what you're looking for. Once you've found the version you want to bring back, look for the 3 vertical dots next to that version in the panel. Click those dots to open the Options menu. From there, choose Restore this version. Google Sheets will ask you to confirm. When you confirm, that snapshot becomes the current version of your spreadsheet. Don't worry, restoring doesn't delete anything. The restoration itself is saved as a new version, so you can always return to a more recent state by reopening version history and selecting a newer entry. If you don't see version history or it's grayed out, you may be viewing the file without edit permission, so check your access or ask the owner to grant it. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use the preview to carefully verify before restoring, especially on shared files, so you don't overwrite teammates' recent work by accident. And if you are scanning a long list of versions, expand the arrows to reveal more granular snapshots. That's often where the exact change you need lives. That's it. You've opened version history, explored past edits, and restored the right version with confidence.